Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to add color to shirts or clothing using Photoshop. I'm going to go ahead and go to my website to get some images that I've set up for my 8th graders to do a Photoshop project. So let's say I wanted to do this person's t-shirt. I'm going to go ahead and right click and choose Save Image As. I will call it T-shirt. And now I'm going to find a color to add to his shirt. So I'll go ahead and pick this one here and I will right click, Save Image As, and I'll call it Colorful. I'm now going to Photoshop and I will choose File, Open. I will locate that folder that has my images. I will select one of the images and then hold the Control key to get the other image and then choose Open. You want to go to the window and make sure you have the Layers window open and the Tools window open. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Tools. And here's the tool that I need. It's called the Quick Selection tool. If it's not showing, you need to hold the key down and you will see hidden tools. So I will use the Quick Selection tool and I will start selecting the white shirt. Now, in order to get the bottom half of his shirt, I need to hold the Shift key of the keyboard and select that bottom part. If you go over, that's okay. Notice his arms are selected. I'm going to choose the Alt key and start dragging along his arms to deselect his arms. I will choose the Shift key again because some of the white shirt was deselected. With the t-shirt selected, you can go ahead and choose the Lasso tool, which allows you to grab that selection, drag it up until the colorful layer is available. Click down. You can move it around until you're happy with the color inside of that selection. You would then choose Edit, Copy, go back to the t-shirt and do Edit, Paste. Now the fun begins. In the Layers window where it says Normal, you click on that drop-down arrow and then start playing around with the different options until you find something that looks a little more natural. I'm going to go ahead and keep playing with it until I'm happy with my results. Be right back. After playing around, I like color as my filter, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the Zoom In tool because I want to point something out. I'm going to make sure it's the plus sign. I'm going to hold the space bar, and I don't know if you can see this part at the top where it has color. I'm going to take the eraser tool, and that eraser is way too big, so I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to make it a little smaller. I'll make it a hard-edged eraser, and I'll start coming in to cleaning up on that layer. I will choose View Actual Pixels so you can see the end result. If you plan on coming back to edit an image, do make sure you save it with the layers by choosing File, Save As. Make sure it's a Photoshop layer, and I'll go ahead and leave it as Shirt and Save, and then click OK. When you're ready to save it and share it with others, you would choose File, Save As. Where it says Photoshop under Format, you change it to JPEG, and I'm going to call it Final T-shirt and click Save, and then OK. This concludes the session on how to make clothes more colorful using Photoshop. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.